Hello YouTube! It is MOT day. It is time to blow the cobwebs off of Lucille. It hasn't really needed much this year. Well, I hope not. It's not been MOT'd yet, but when I was doing my MOT checks, the front brake light switch was inoperational. Oh, for fuck's sake, you cunt. The things on this... Are you shitting me? All that because you didn't want to walk fucking an extra 6 feet. Yes, was inoperational, so ordered a replacement part. Came next day, got it fitted, and brake lights are now all operational. So what I'm going to do is head down to the L petroleum station, fill it up with some performance, and check the tyre pressures just because she's been sitting for a while. Take it a wee run, blow the cobwebs off, and then she's booked in for 4:30. So no doubt the social media posts will be up before this YouTube video is, and you should all know whether or not it passed. I will probably even put a wee picture up the corner saying whether or not I did. So let's head into the B and the P, check the tyre pressures, stick some ultimate and go for a wee blast. Ah, maybe we won't be sticking any air in it here then. We'll still fuel it up though. I don't even know how much it will take because I can't remember the last time I was out in it. Bear with. I don't think she'll take too much. Only the best for Lucille. Look at it so far. Should round it off to 12 quid, just shy, just over 7 litres. Cheers pal.
Thank you.
How we doing pal? Pump 7? Superb, thank you. See you later. Can't miss out on the loyalty points. Was an odd one. So let's try the Golf instead for air. Let's see how fucking convenient the fucking valve caps are. Fuck's sake. £1.50 minimum for air. Fucking air. £1.50. What a fucking... Right. Let's check something first. Right, I thought that 36 and 42.
Please wait for confirmation. Thank you, and goodbye.
What are we on? 28? Just as well, see. It's sat for in that fucking garage for fucking months, so... Now where's the back? That should be... handy haulage. This one was down to 34, so just as well it's done. but still, fucking £1.50. Where'd I put my... So that's it. Done all my pre-MOT checks at the house, checked the lights, adjusted the chain, so we'll go get up to temp. Feels so good getting out, sun shining. So just over a week guys, and we will be heading over to the Isle of Man for the TT. Be heading down for the ferry, leaving sort of Monday evening-ish, but 9ish, heading down to Heysham. Check in for the sailing, closes at midnight, so we'll get down there, get checked in on the ferry and get sailing over to the Isle of Man. So same again, going over practice week Tuesday to Saturday, but we'll catch the first main race day, first superbike race on the Saturday before we get our sailing back. So, looking forward to it. Oh, mummy. Do you know, I had a look back on the previous MOT and since last year, last May, I've done under 350 mile. Fuck's sake. Some folk do more than that in a day. So yes, that's the goal for this year. Get some proper miles on her. Saying that, for 24-year-old, she's only done just over 30,000 mile. So this was just a wee run out, just a wee blow the cobwebs off. I'll take it back home, get another wee once over, check everything's alright, recheck the fluids now it's been running, recheck the lights, give her a wash, get her down for MOT, and fingers crossed. Do you know, I was on looking at newer bikes, you know, I would still love an MT10, maybe even something a bit more upright, you know, Triumph Tiger. I know Zed had just got one of them, so I wouldn't want to be copying him. But then I crack this out and I'm like, I don't want to let it go. Oh, I don't want anything else. Fucking good party 8 year, maybe close on 9 I've owned this bike, and it still puts a big fucking smile on my face. So do you know what, for something that sits in the shed, it gets wheeled out every now and again for a wee wash and, you know, get it het up and then get wheeled back in, and then maybe get out every now and again, a wee run up the northeast. Sorry, the northwest, up Oban and all that. It still does everything I need it to do. So yes, why bother getting myself into debt for something else? Just to sit in the shed for the majority of the time. So that is us, guys. We're back home and out, so I will let you know how it got on. I'll probably continue this en route to MOT, but if not, remember, ride safe, keep your shiny side up. Till next time, bye.